heal your skin barrier, and get clear skin. Is it even possible to get glass skin, or it is just genetics? Do people on internet lie? To you, we're just use filters. It's not difficult to take your skin from this to this without plenty different products. As someone who has struggled with acne, I am tell you what worked for you. First of all, if a skin type is not same. The first thing I found out, a lot of brand online lying to you to create hype around their products and pay a lot of money. The second thing I found out, touching your face. We all unconsciously touch our face on our hands. But did you know touching your face can transfer bacteria from your hand directly onto your skin, which can cause acne and clog your pores? Always wash them before applying any skincare or makeup. Step 2, cleanser. If you wear makeup, you should double cleanse to get out all the dirt and oil. I recommend a cleansing balm first and the cleanse with a water-based cleanser, and best cleanser is fragrance-free. If you have oily acne skin, use salicylic acid. For dry, use hyaluronic acid. Girls, don't take your makeup off with wipes. They have a ton of fragments and cause acne. When you're trying to heal your skin barrier, moisturized is a key, especially in the summer. Lightweight lotions work well. If you can't find a good moisturizer, just use aloe vera gel. It's so cheap and easily available anywhere. Aloe vera has antibacterial properties that can help control and reduce acne-causing bacteria. For acne or hyperpigmentation, look for serums with retinol, niacinamide, or vitamin C serum, which help to reduce dark spots. Niacinamide helps regulate oil production, reduce inflammation, and improve the skin barrier, while vitamin C brightens the complexion, boosts collagen, and provides antioxidant protection. After these steps, sunscreen play vital role to prevent skin from UV rays. Step 3, poor diet. Diet play vital role in acne. Foods like bread, sugar, and drinks spike blood sugar levels. Dairy products, milk has been linked to acne due to its hormonal content. Eat balanced diet with protein, fruits, and vegetables. It's helped to clean your skin. Step 4, stress and lack of sleep. When you stress, it can lead to hormonal imbalances, or you might your skin more, which can trigger acne. Sleep at least 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep every day. Don't use more than 5 products in your routine, because as it can simple routine, it overwhelm your skin. Last but not least, for more effective result, drink natural herbs tea like spinach water, matcha, and ginger tea. It helps to break acne and get clear skin. If you follow these tips, you've healed your skin barrier. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, share. Until next time, bye.